Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for jobs on FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a trusted job platform that specializes in remote, hybrid, freelance and flexible jobs, and all jobs listing are hand screened to avoid scam. To apply for jobs on FlexJobs, you need to follow the step that I'm going to say in this video. So first you need to open any Google browser or any of the browser. Once you're into this browser, on the top there's a search bar. Type down FlexJobs and enter it. And make sure to log into your account already. You need to enter your email and password, and a paid membership is required to apply for the job. So once logged in, you need to select this jobs option in the top. You can either search your jobs or by the location. If you want to find remote, hybrid or flexible jobs, you can select these as well. Over here, select this option that says find your next job remote. You need to simply keep doing all this how you want your job to be, either remote, hybrid or option for remote work. And you need to select next after you decide how much you want your desired salary to be. You can also set your location and select next, and after that you'll land on this option of the job results. Over here you can select a job title to view the full job description, read details like responsibilities, qualifications, salary range if listed, and the company information carefully. You scroll down and click to the apply option. FlexJobs will either redirect you to the company's official website or ask you to email your resume directly to the employer. And you need to upload your resume, fill the required details and submit the application as instructed. And always customize your resume and cover letter for better chance. And that is it. That's how you can apply for the jobs on FlexJobs in just few minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.